This looks like a good spot to cook up a ribeye. Brad here with Chill Vibes Outside, and for today's video, I'm gonna be making my very own custom bushcraft griddle. After I get it made up, I'm gonna take it out to the woods and I'm gonna cook up a juicy ribeye steak. Oh my God, you guys. Never made anything like it. I hope it turns out good. Let's get into it.
Maybe 2 inches off of that hole, or?
Yeah, I think that would be perfect.
Good cut.
He's kind of loud. I think that'll work.
I have to take a grinder, grind that off. You're not trying to make it look pretty, right?
No, I mean, I just want it kind of smooth. It's not, I don't need it to look good. I almost wonder if I should like take like the corners off, you think?
I don't know.
You never made one of these?
No, I never have, dude. Nip them off.
Yeah, just nip the corners off and then.
So it's not at an angle, so
yeah,
it's kind of like round.
Because you want it to kind of like you know, like a frying pan almost.
Yeah. All right. Like precisely the same, or
whatever, dude. It doesn't have to be. Okay. This is Chill Vibes Outside. You know what I mean?
I know. This is a paddle wheel, so it's kind of like, it's almost like a fabric. Barely go on it. Okay. Just kind of let it do its thing. There you go, that's looking good.
Looking pretty nice.
Yeah.
What's up, Tristan? You watched that video? The halibut fishing one? You like it?
Did we? We sat down and we watched it all together.
As a family?
Yeah, like as a family.
Nice.
Just like out in the woods. All got a kick out of me getting my face stretched. Stretched my face.
I think you meant when I did the instant replay.
No, that
daily.
too, though.
But yeah, was that a nice surprise? We got to get out there and do some more stuff.
Yeah, that was good. Just take Tristan with you mushroom hunting.
Yeah, definitely in the fall. How do you think that feels? That's smooth enough?
Yeah. I don't know. Kind of. It feels like it's almost has an edge now. Made an edge, dude. Like if I threw this, it would stick in the wood. Yeah, I mean, if you just keep doing that, like at an angle, you're gonna make.
I just did it a little.
You're gonna make a cutting edge with a knife.
You cut your meat and then you cook it up.
Does that feel better or no?
Yeah. All right.
Over here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's coming off, Trevor.
Oh yeah. This stuff does suck to get off though.
Oh, you got a hammer? See if I can make like a little lip on this puppy.
Yeah. Still hot?
Luckily it wasn't that hot, but it's hot.
The guy that shot so it blows.
Dude, I mean, it's coming along.
Looks pretty sick.
All right, it's not pretty, but we're getting there. Chill Vibes Outside. That was perfect. Battery just died. Yeah. All right, so that was pretty sick. Trevor helped me out big time there. He had like all the tools that I needed. I had none of those at home. Now I just gotta like get it cleaned up and then probably throw it in a fire to just kind of test it before I actually cook something on it. That's coming next. All right, guys, I pretty much have the griddle ready to go. I need to get some handles on it. I ran it through the dishwasher. I put some Goo Gone on it and got some of that plastic off. The center feels really good. It's pretty smooth. Lip here it almost feels like an edge. It's not that sharp, but I'm gonna see if I can sand it down with just like some regular sandpaper block, see if that works. I have some of this just like little metal kind of wire I might try and do for the handle. Ooh, actually, you know what this is from? And I think I have more pieces of these. This is from that mandolin harp that I burned up to make my bushcraft knife handle. I'm glad I saved it, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll save this, it'll come in handy, and that might actually work pretty good. Okay, try to sand these edges down. It is kind of feeling a little more smooth, actually. This better piece of sandpaper that's in better condition. It's working. I was gonna try to hammer around the lip a little bit more. All right, I think I made it a little more flat when I hammered it right there, so it kind of sits a little bit better. I'm just gonna kind of hit the middle and around the sides where those divots are and along the lip again. It's feeling pretty good. It's looking all right. It'll definitely cook. Stainless steel, can't go wrong. Right, I'm gonna attempt to make 2 handles, put it through each of these holes, like yay, and then twist these around and ball them up so they don't come back out the holes. Okay, I just bent those little rods up so that they just bend in back to the back of the plate. Okay, got the first handle on, now it's time for round 2. Oh yeah. And then pick that bad boy up. All right, guys, so that's the griddle pretty much ready to go. Probably wash it off one more time. Then I have this little bag that came with a pair of headphones that I have. It is a perfect fit. There's some little tongs in there, some instant coffee, and that right there will fit nicely in my backpack. It's even got a little snap button on there. All right, and that right there is the camp griddle. Let's go cook something up on this. All right, this looks like a good spot to cook up a ribeye. Let's get into it. I pulled some of this string apart to get my fire started. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut up some wood. Yeah, this wood should be perfect. It's all dead and dry. It's been sunny. Okay, got some wood cut. Gonna try and get this lit. I did bring some of my own little kindling. Help me get the fire started, stuff that I know is super dry. Let's have a crack at this, see what happens. You got this. I don't want to get too big of a fire. I'm just cooking a little meal here. It's starting to look pretty good. And we have the griddle. What I want to do is burn a lot of this wood down and get a good bed of coals going. Make myself a little cup of coffee. It's too hot. Right, got my coffee. Nah, we better start cooking. Getting hot. Nice ribeye steak. Oh yeah. That's hot. Do some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder. And hit the other side as well. Oh yeah. It's cooking. Right, here's the bushcraft knife that I made, the knife handle. For the ribeye, I want to check it real quick. Oh my God, you guys, check that out. That's about perfect. Gonna go ahead and pull it off. Didn't bring a plate. The ribeye's cooking up pretty nice, but we're gonna do one last thing to top it off. Let's check it out. We got ourselves a farm fresh egg. See how that guy cooks up. Yankees. Almost lost my egg. I broke the yolk. Let's get this guy out of there. Got it in my pot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cool this guy off and put this fire out, and we're gonna eat this. Well, it's not burning my hands, so that worked. I'm just gonna replate it on this. All right, guys, let's dig in. Oh my God, that's so good. Wow, that's one of the best ribeyes I've ever had. I'm not even just saying that. Shout out to Zane for the farm fresh eggs. Yeah, this ribeye is insane, you guys. My knife's cutting it like butter. Cooked to perfection. That's so good. The griddle works. All right, thank you so much for watching that video, guys. That ribeye steak turned out so good. The griddle was awesome, worked way better than expected, so that's a plus. And got a bunch of new videos coming out here pretty soon. Stay tuned. Chill Vibes Outside. I'm gonna try and post on Wednesdays or Saturdays. I'm not sure yet. I would like to post weekly, but I'm not quite there yet. Hoping to get there soon though. Thanks again.